Why do 70% of new investors struggle with crypto wallets? Because they overcomplicate it. Let's break it down. First up, browser extensions. Nami Wallet is super user-friendly and works with Chrome, Brave, and Edge. Then there's Flint Wallet, which offers a sleek interface and extra features. And don't forget Jero Wallet for staking and dApp interaction. Next, mobile apps. Yoroi Wallet is available for iOS and Android, making it easy to manage your assets on the go. Adelaide is another solid choice, offering a straightforward way to interact with the Cardano blockchain. Trust Wallet also supports Cardano and lets you buy, sell, and swap tokens. Prefer hardware wallets? Ledger Nano SX and Trezor Model T both provide top-notch security for your assets. Finally, desktop wallets. Daedalus offers the highest security but needs more storage and power. For something lighter, try Eternal. Remember, always prioritize security with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Choose a wallet that suits your needs and enjoy your Cardano journey.